The back doesn't look like the front, I'm just telling you that. Hi you guys, I am here for a 5-month update to let you guys know what's going on with my hair. Welcome to my channel. My name is CaPrielannissa. I recently just had a hair transplant from Turkey and I went to Longevita. Long story short, today I am here to do a 5-month update to let you guys know what's going on with my hair. And if you guys are new to this channel, welcome. If you guys are not, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support. I really do appreciate you guys showing up daily, consistently, and I really appreciate you. I'm gonna just hop right into this 5-month update and let you guys know the ins and outs. And of course, you guys are probably like shocked right now with the fact that I'm able to even just do something on the top of my head right now. But I have styled my hair on my TikTok, so make sure you guys be sure to follow me on my TikTok if you guys have an account there, where I do happen to do a little bit more like small detail short clip videos on my TikTok page. So in case you guys are interested, go there. You must. It's a benefit to follow me on multiple platforms, so make sure you go do that. So first things first, I want to address hair bumps. I don't get bumps as often, but I did have a bump recently. It wasn't like any pus-filled bumps or anything like that. At this point, it's more so just hair having a hard time coming out of my scalp, and it's kind of like inflamed and irritated. And that's why I kind of like wash my hair a little bit more frequently early on, because I knew it was very painful whenever I had those bumps, and I wanted to reduce the inflammation on my scalp because those bumps are no joke. It's been reduced to about maybe 1%, I would say, of the time. It's not really super serious or anything like that, but I did just want to let you know that I am still having some bumps, and I'm pretty sure it won't be the first nor the last to occur on my scalp. Next, let's talk about the styling products that I have been using as of lately. I have continued to just refresh my hair as the last time you guys saw. I will insert a notification here at the top where you guys can click on that video if you guys are interested on the latest products that I have been using to hydrate my hair on a non-wash day. I do happen to still use those products, as well as a new product from the Hair Growth Co. So the products that I have been loving lately with styling my hair is from the Hair Growth Co. It is the 10-in-1 Hair Growth HD Curl and Style Jelly. This is one of my top favorite hair styling products right now at this time. And the reason why I like it is because obviously I got my hair to mold back in. I did my baby hairs and whatnot with this product. Whenever I wash or refresh my hair, I just make sure my hair is wet first or damp before applying this to my hair. I put the product on and I slick it back, and then I lay like a little scarf on top of my head so that everything can kind of like just mesh together and then mold. And when I wake up the next day, or whenever I get through taking my scarf off, the hair looks and feels hydrated, pliable. It's molded, but it won't be blowing through the wind. It's very tamed, but nicely tamed, if that makes sense. So I've been using this like crazy. It's very runny. It's on the more runnier side, but it definitely does the trick for what I need it to do. And the reasons why I love it, for one, it has chebe powder, flaxseed gel, Bulgarian rose water, slippery elm extract, marshmallow root, Bulgarian lavender essential oil, rosemary essential oil, raw honey, organic gar gum, boiled avocado seed. So this is all really great hydrating needs for my hairline right now. I was using the Garnier Whole Blends Hair Honey Jelly, and this is kind of like a light form gel. It does have a nice decent hold to it. It's not like super strong, like got to be glued or anything like that, but it does do the trick. Although with using that particular product, my hair does flake up a little bit. Product builds up real easily with that particular product, but with this particular product, it's a little bit more lighter and easygoing on my hair, which is what I need. And it also have nutrition in it that I need, like the chebe powder. I'm still trying to grow my hair and not kind of dry it out or anything like that. It doesn't have any like alcohols in here. It doesn't have any drying alcohols or anything in this gel either, but I'm gonna go and opt for the more healthier route. Then also, if I need an extra hold just to accommodate my hair, this is the Melonberry smoothing gel with vitamin C for fine hair, and I use this product. I got it a while back in PR, but I love this particular gel just because it is really curly girl friendly, and it does maintain and keep my hair in place as well with this. So it just gives this a little extra boost if I need just a little extra oomph of hold. So I like making these babies here. This is also vegan and cruelty free. It does have some really clean ingredients in here as well. It has different type of benefits as well with this product. So any recommendations that I give you guys, I promise you it's for your benefit. It's not some regular smegular product that I'm just slapping on my head, because I am protecting my investment and I care about it, and I hope you do too in case you are in this situation. But these are my favorite products as of right now. So let's talk about how often I clean and maintain my hair. As you guys know, of course, I was styling my hair, washing my hair every day to every 3 days, and then now I am currently washing my hair once a week, every Sunday. Let me know if you guys are interested in watching a Reset Sunday hair deep conditioning and treatments and everything like that, and how I care for my hair on every Sunday, because I have been loving just pampering myself, and I do happen to have low porosity hair, so I am incorporating steam and everything like that. It's a whole little showdown. We all know that hair wash day is a big thing, and I'm making it a priority of mine just to care for my hair every week, deep conditioning, washing, and stuff like that. I know some people probably will laugh at me right now for doing this, but I feel like for as long as I've done it, I feel like it has still been beneficial to me to do, which is still sleeping with my travel pillow. Yes, I still sleep with my travel pillow. Now, don't get me wrong, I am not a complete saint. I do happen to sometimes fall off of the pillow. I mean, I be twisting it and turning it sometimes, but I definitely start in the sleeping position with it behind my neck, and I just lay back and the pillow under it just keeps it tucked. But I rotate it from side to side, but I try not to lay directly on anything, on my edges or anything like that. So I feel like that helps with trying to reduce breakage or splits anywhere around my hairline. I think that has done really great for myself. I know you guys are looking at me like, okay, so yeah, you are styling your hair, you're doing little whatnots and whatnots to it. And yes, I have been styling my hair for the longest. Like I said, if you guys are interested in watching my TikTok, you can see exactly how I style my hair. And I'll of course make a video separately just for YouTube, my YouTube family, just because you guys deserve to know exactly how I'm styling my hair too as well. But this is like a crochet ponytail that I DIY'd myself, and I slicked back my hair using this product, and I use this around the hairline too as well. That's how I was able to get these pretty little baby hairs. It's looking really nicely, you guys. I'm so happy that I am able to frame my face. I still got a little bit more growth to do in order for my hair to just be swooped perfectly the way I want for my baby hairs. So I definitely just want to let you guys know that styling my hairline is a little bit difficult. I know it might be like, yay, you got edges and whatnot, but it's so full that you don't even know where to start, girl. Like, it's so dense. But I think I'm getting the hang of it. Like, and I take the bare minimum out of my hairline and I just swoop it, you know, where it needs to be. But it definitely needs a little bit more length for me to curve it and do all types of things that I want to it. But we're getting to the good parts, you know. We're just letting things take his time, and I'm pretty sure in the next month we will have professional baby hairs. But I'm really liking the outcome of today's hairs. I had to go back to washing my hair once a week because my overall goal right now is styling my hair a lot less. That's my goal. I don't want to be combing and brushing and doing everything to my hair every single day. I don't want to be styling it. I don't want to be you know, I just don't want too much done to my hair. I I just want to leave it alone, style it for the week, mold it for the week, leave it alone. If I need to redress it or anything like that, this is still a great product to lay on top of each other each and every day if I needed to, just because it does have really healthy ingredients that are very beneficial to my situation. So I'm going to continue to use this throughout. And my goal right now is just to leave my hair alone, style it for that reset Sunday, and then don't touch it anymore. There's not really much going on. Of course, if you guys follow me also on my shorts journey, I haven't been posting any of my shorts as of lately day by day, just because I feel like I don't feel the need to update you every single day now, just because there's nothing going on other than just hair growth. I will also include this little link here if I can to just to share with you guys that I will be just addressing my situations day to day in a weekly little segment. If you guys are interested in watching that, I will put it up here. And then also, just instead of looking forward to shorts, I'm going to just put the weekly shorts combined into one video in a long form content, so you will see it on this feed instead of the shorts feed. So I have not broken up with the internet. I have not broken up with you guys, letting you guys know what's going on every single day. I still film every single day for you guys. That is so crazy, and it felt so weird not coming and posting every single day for you guys, but I'm still doing it behind the scenes. You just don't see it every single day. You're seeing it once a week, which makes more sense to me. And a lot of people have been saying that they really enjoy the weekly segment because now they're able to see a difference in a week span time versus every single day, because every single day you can't really tell a difference sometimes, just visually by seeing it. Now if I play it back to back to back every single day, then yes, you will notice a difference, but it looks great going into a whole week of information versus nothing's happened today and I don't really have anything to say other than answering questions. I do happen to answer questions, so sometimes if you guys ask me questions on YouTube, I'm answering them on TikTok or in my shorts. Also, I will be answering a lot of you guys' questions and addressing them in a video very soon, just because I am going to be doing YouTube a lot more often. You guys should get to know this face from now on a lot often. Without further ado, let's get right into viewing my hair and seeing what it looks like up under all of this, right? So I'm gonna leave my hair bun in so you guys can see the rest of my hair. It shouldn't have any effect on the perimeter of what you need to see. So I'm just gonna keep it up, although the back doesn't look like the front, I'm just telling you that. Okay, you guys, so this is how my hair looks up close and styled. This, as you guys know, has always been my problematic side, and I've noticed that it is filling in. It's not to the standard that I want right now. I just need to give it a little bit of time because I do see it coming in. And like I said, I've been using my hair gels and stuff like that, but I'm just going to do a 360 for you guys. And like I said, this is my perimeters of my little baby hairs. I don't need that much. I've been used to doing hair for bald edges, so I don't need as much of a deep cut to get more hair from the back and bring it to the front. I need very minimal hair brought to the front, which is so weird to me. Now that I am in this position right now, I think I look absolutely great. The hair is easily swooped back. As you guys can see in the front, as I mentioned, it just needs a little bit more time. I'm still enjoying this. In order to disguise what's been going on back here, I just put this like headband on, and it covers, I just show my hairline, but it covers majority of this part, so it doesn't look horrible, and I bring it down a little bit but I also let my curls fall down a little bit lower just so that it's covering up all bases around my head. So this is my reasoning for keeping my hair up top, just because I want to style it faster. Had I shaved off all my hair, I would have nothing to work with to style my hair. So these are the things that I just stress out to you guys. Please, 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 if you guys can, if at all, try to keep your hair, just because this is the benefit. You can't do this bald-headed. You have no choice but to put on a wig or anything like that. I like it this way. I like it this way. I know I look like I'm crazy in the back, but in the front, first impressions, you guys are like, whoa. You know what I mean? So I really, really am happy about my results right now as far as how I'm able to style it and whatnot. And you guys stay tuned, because like I said, you guys are going to see my face a lot often now. I am going to be updating you guys on this new hairstyle that I'm going to be trying, and this is for the people who keep their hair, or just in case if you guys are interested. I got a new hairstyle just for you guys this week, and I will be posting that later on this weekend or closer to the week. I am going to be at least posting maybe 2 to 3 times a week if I can, and we're going to be doing hair content, beauty and makeup content, skincare, shower routines and whatnot. So I say buckle up and get ready, because here I come. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment what your thoughts were about this month's update. How do you feel about the growth, and what do you guys look forward to seeing the most with my content, and what are things that you would like to see from me? I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and watch one of these.